Chinese smartphone manufacturer Oppo recently launched its newest flagship in the Reno series into the Kenyan market. Today, we're unboxing the Oppo Reno12 5G, a device that's making waves with its sleek design and cutting-edge AI features. Let's dive in and see what the phone has to offer. Inside the packaging, we have the phone itself, and underneath, the usual suspects. A quick guide, a safety guide, a SIM key, a clear protective case, the USB-C cable, and the fast charger. But let's focus on the star of the show, the beautiful device itself. The Oppo Reno12 5G feels premium in hand with its glass back, glass front, and metallic alloy frame. Its top edge features a secondary stereo speaker, an infrared port, and a secondary microphone for ambient sound detection. The left edge of the device is plain. The bottom edge has the SIM tray, its primary microphone, the USB-C charging port, and the primary stereo speaker. The right edge has the volume rocker and the power button below that. On the back edge, we have the multi-step camera bump with its triple camera setup and the dual flashlight. Setting up the Oppo Reno12 5G is straightforward, and you're greeted with Oppo's Color OS, which is both smooth and responsive. It's packed with features, but what really stands out are the integrated generative AI capabilities. Oppo has integrated generative AI throughout the Reno12 5G. The camera leverages AI to recognize scenes and adjust settings automatically for the best shot every time. It also has AI Erase, a feature that enables you to clean up your photos in the event that you captured something you did not intend to. It works through smart AI detection to pick out anything in the image that should not be there. So cleaning up your photos after the fact is a breeze. It works pretty accurately and is one of the standout features of the integrated generative AI that the Oppo Reno12 5G comes with. Another standout generative AI feature that the Oppo Reno12 5G comes with is AI Speak. This feature will read whatever content is on the screen for you, so you can keep your hands free for more urgent matters.
From left, Sheila Kariuki, Loop DFS Chief Commercial Officer, Frederic A. King, Oppo Kenya PR Manager, and Ernest Tegut, Oppo Kenya Product Manager at the Oppo posed for a photo with the launch devices at Reno 12 series launch at the Argyle Grand Hotel in Nairobi on August 22nd, 2024. Photo/courtesy. Oppo partners with Loop DFS to offer financing for new Reno 12 series.
With its MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm processor and 12 GB of RAM, the Oppo Reno12 5G handles multitasking and gaming without breaking a sweat. And thanks to its 5G connectivity, you can stream, download, and browse at lightning-fast speeds, making it a powerhouse for both work and play. Overall, the Oppo Reno12 5G is more than just a stylish device. It's packed with features that make it a great companion for everyday use. The integrated generative AI enhances the user experience in subtle yet significant ways, making this phone a strong contender in the 5G market. Stay tuned for our full review, where we dive deeper into its performance and camera. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Head over to www.hapakenya.com for more great tech reviews. See you in the next one.